Hello everyone, welcome to ASL with Abby. My name is Abigail. I am an American Sign Language instructor. If you're watching this video right now, then it's probably because you're looking to learn sign language, used to learn sign language, or presently learning sign language, and you're just looking for a refresher. Whatever the case is, you have come to the right place. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button now. Why would you do that? I will be uploading videos designed for beginners. I'm going to be starting from the ABCs and then taking it up to sentences, grammar rules, making basic conversation. When you hit the subscribe button, what happens is for each time I upload a video, you get a notification sound telling you I have uploaded a new video. So it just keeps you up to date. Please hit the subscribe button right now, so you can have access to all of my videos as soon as they come. So I will see you in class. Until then, bye.